So this is IXL E1 ZMF. This is going to be a pretty short video because this week is a review of the coordinate plane, how to graph points and how to understand the coordinate plane. Should be fairly simple review. So let's do the first example. So let's talk about what are the coordinates. Well, when we're talking about what coordinates are, in the first place, it's a parenthesis with a comma, and then there's an X and a Y. So the reason why we need coordinates is you're going to think of like a treasure map. I need to know where I'm going. So if I just were to say verbally, hey, do you see that point over there? You have no idea what I'm talking about. You have no idea where my eyeballs are looking. So we need coordinates to be like, hey, did you see that point that's over 2 and up 3? Then you know where I'm talking about. So what are the coordinates of point F? So this is point F. So X goes before Y, and I remember that from the alphabet. And then this is your X coordinate plane, or your X axis and your Y axis. So in order to find coordinates, we need an X value. So to get to F, I always begin in my origin, the middle. And I go to the right, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I go 4, and that's a positive 4 in the X axis. So that's what's going right here. My Y value is how many did I go up or down? Or where is it on the Y axis? So I went up 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it's where Y is 5. So that's your coordinate point. It's difference in slope. All right, let's do this one. Which point has the coordinates -2, 2? Well, I know that my X has to be -2. So when I begin in my origin, on the X axis, -2 is here. It's all right, so I'm here. Then it says my Y value is +2. Well, that's up here. So if I'm going to drive there, like if you go down 2 blocks and up 2 blocks, I am at point W. This is the last one we're going to do. Told you a short video. We're going to talk about graphing points. Same thing. This is your X and this is your Y. Please ignore that cute little circle. I accidentally had my mouse over the thing in IXL when I snipped it. So my X value is +9. So if I'm always going to begin in the middle, I'm going to go to +9, which is right here. Because I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. My Y value is -4. Well, -4 is down here. So that means from where I'm at, I've got to go down 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you'll just plot this point, or if you're in IXL, just click.